After more than 12 hours of intermittent firing and use of tear gas and smoke bombs, the operation to flush out a terror suspect from a house in Thakurganj on the outskirts of Lucknow ended around 3 a.m. The police, which suspected that 2 men had been holed up inside the house, later said just one body had been recovered. The operation taking place on the eve of the 7th and last phase of elections in UP. The man, identified as Saifullah, was suspected of being involved in the explosion on an Ujjain-Bhopal train in neighbouring Madhya Pradesh, which injured 9 people on Tuesday morning.
बॉम्ब एक्सप्लोजन हुआ था। उसके बाद हम लोगों के पास एक दूसरे स्टेट से इंफॉर्मेशन आई थी, जिसके आधार पर यहाँ पर कार्रवाई की गई थी। लगभग 1 बजे के लगभग हमारे पास इंफॉर्मेशन आई थी। उसके बाद हमने कार्रवाई करी थी। इस कार्रवाई में यहाँ पर जो ऑपरेशन हुआ है उसके बारे में आपको जानकारी है। इसके अलावा कानपुर और उसके आसपास दो लोकेशंस पे कार्रवाई करके वहाँ कुल 3 लोग जो हैं उनको हिरासत में लिया गया, उनसे पूछताछ की जा रही है। और जो यहाँ व्यक्ति था, संदिग्ध था, वो उसको हम लोगों ने प्रयास किया कि उसको ज़िंदा हम गिरफ्तार कर लें, लेकिन लास्ट तक वो नहीं माना और अल्टीमेटली हमको फिर ऑपरेशन करके उनको न्यूट्रलाइज करना पड़ा। द फैक्ट दैट वी वर एबल टू कम पिनपॉइंटेडली टू द प्लेस वेयर दे वर स्टेइंग makes it obvious that the intelligence input that had been developed by the various agencies was very specific.
कल इस जगह पे यूपी एटीएस ने एक ऑपरेशन किया था। हमको एक सूचना मिली थी कि यहाँ पे ISIS रिलेटेड एक ग्रुप बन रहा है और उससे संबंधित एक सस्पेक्ट हो सकता है। इस सूचना पे हमने यहाँ पे घेराबंदी की और सस्पेक्ट को सरेंडर करने के लिए बताया, लेकिन उसने हमारे ऊपर फायर किया। लेकिन हमने इस जगह की घेराबंदी की और कई घंटे हमने हर संभव प्रयास किया कि इसको जीवित हम गिरफ्तार कर पाएँ। इसके परिवार से बात कराई, फ़ोन मिला करके इसको लगातार हमने काउंसिल किया, नेगोशिएट किया इसके साथ में। जब नई बात बनी तो फिर हमने चिली बॉम्ब और टीयर गैस जैसे केमिकल्स यूज़ किए इसको स्मोक आउट करने के लिए, लेकिन ये सारी टैक्टिक्स हमारी सफल नहीं हुई और ये अंदर से लगातार फायर करता रहा। अगर हम इसको ज़िंदा गिरफ्तार करते तो हम और खुश होते, क्योंकि एक मौत से बच सकते थे और बहुत सारी हमको नॉलेज इससे मिलती। लेकिन हमने हर संभव प्रयास किया और जब कोई हल निकला तो हमारे कमांडोज बहुत ट्रेंड हैं, उन्होंने ऑपरेट किया। किसी भी कमांडो को इंजरी नहीं हुई है और हम लोग इसको मार गिराए।
They tried to get the brother of this person, Saifullah, to negotiate. They called him up and then slid a phone down this door and got him to speak to his elder brother, but he refused to give himself up, is what the ATS chief has told us, Asim Arun. He said that we tried to negotiate, but that was not successful. He said that storming this house was the last option because they didn't want to do that. They wanted to get this person alive, but at the end of the day, after 12 hours, when he refused to relent, they gave him a warning and stormed the house, and he admitted that the fact that this person is dead is an impediment for them because they would have liked to interrogate him, and obviously the case needs to be proven in a court of law and the death could have been avoided, but the police saying that they tried their best, and also they say that the kind of recoveries Ankita made inside this house point to the fact that there could be something big that was being planned. They just say that gold, passports, explosive material was all found here. They're also saying that the bomb that was planted or allegedly planted on the Madhya Pradesh passenger train was assembled here and taken by 3 people from here. So at the moment you can see on your screen some officials of the anti-terror squad and the Uttar Pradesh police here are still trying to go through what found inside. It will take some time before they manage to seal this place. We are also hearing that the National Investigating Agency might take over the case later in the day. They have already put in a requisition, is what the Lucknow police have told us. But at the moment, the loose ends of this entire issue being tied up, the police still investigating about how this alleged ISIS module came into existence, since when they were planning these things, how long were these people staying here. This house belongs to somebody who lives in Saudi Arabia. His neighbor here was taking care of the house, and he is the one who reportedly given this house on rent. There were 4 people staying here for about 2-3 months.